Hi, I'm Dave the drummer, and welcome to my course on FaderPro about the Roland TB-303. The idea is that we'll go through all the 303s, apply a little bit of effects and a little bit of processing to them, put them through some distortion, see which ones we prefer, and then write a little track at the end of it and see how it goes. So why are we talking about the 303? Well, recently the 303 has had a little bit of a renaissance. It's appeared on a bunch of, if you like, kind of modern techno tracks or new school techno tracks, or however you want to kind of think about it. The speed of techno has kind of gone up a little, the BPM range has gone up a little bit, and a bunch of kind of more energetic sort of 303 style tracks have started to appear. So it kind of feels like it's about time. We've got some great new clones, we've got some amazing VST instruments, and of course we've got the original 303 itself. The idea being, let's find out how the original 303 and how the clones perform against each other. Some are obviously going to be stronger in some fields than others, and we want to find out how usable they are. I reckon all of them will be usable in one way or another. The point is, let's see which one's usable for what and which one does particular jobs in a really good way. And you may find that there's a workflow that kind of suits your way of programming. So that was kind of our idea. And we're going to concentrate on the hard acid style, London acid techno, that kind of vibe. A little bit of hard floor, a little bit of stay up forever, something along those lines. So that's kind of where we're going to go.